Another way to convert a website visitor into a client is to immediately chat with them by text or messenger or something, right, from your website. So they're visiting your website and you want to capture that lead, right, and convert them. What better way than to chat with them? So live chat with website visitors using your phone. Consider a service like this that helps you convert site visitors into clients. It's called Simple Chat. And I put it on Big Ben Inspections. So when you go to Big Ben Inspections, bottom right corner, it says, talk with Ben right now. And let's do that, right? So your client, right? I'm pretending like I'm a site visitor. Your potential client, enter your email address below, and we'll contact an agent. You can customize that. We'll contact a home inspector. And first, let me see. Here's my phone. Let's see what happens. Oops, let me get this stuff out of the way. So I click submit, connecting, and and I see on my phone here, this is my phone, that it says, bengromicko@gmail.com is visiting your website and would like to speak with you. Respond Y to initiate a chat. So I click Y. It says connecting. I didn't hit press. There it goes. You're now chatting with a customer on your website. Text / to mean bye to end the conversation. So the client now, I'm visiting, right? I'm visiting Big Ben Inspections. I'm a potential client looking for a home inspector, and now I'm chatting with Big Ben himself. So, let me move this over so you can see. Put it right in front of my face. Hi, Ben. I'm looking for a home inspection on this Saturday. Are you available? Send. So on my phone, this is me. Oh, can you see me? I'm on my phone, right? And I'm going to type in yes. What should I say as a home inspector chatting with a potential client? What's the number one thing that I should say? Yes, that's good, right? I always say yes. But what's the other thing? Watch, I don't even have to type it, right? Press here. Can I have your phone number? And I'll call you soon to confirm an appointment and answer any questions that you may have, period. Right? Well, can I have your phone number? Yeah, you can have my phone number. It's 303-862, right? Oh, got it. I got their phone number. And I said yes. And I'll call them to confirm an appointment. Not to schedule, not to maybe, talk, chit chat about what a home inspection is. Remember, that's a waste of time. Calling to confirm your appointment. That's it, I'm done. They are done. And I converted a site visitor into a client using a chat feature, which I believe this chat, let's see how much it costs. Does it cost? Oh, it's $8 per month after my 14-day free trial. So I can use it for 14 days. $8 per month? $8 per month. That's worth it. Because when someone lands on my website, I want to provide them everything they need to schedule a job with me. And online scheduling, having call to action buttons, having features that help that, giving them information that they seek immediately, and having a chat feature that I could use on my phone in order to convert a site visitor into a client for $8 a month. Yeah, I'm getting something like that. You don't have to use Simple Chat. Use whatever you want. This is a feature that you can do yourself. If I can do it, you can do it. So get into live chatting and check out bigbeninspections.com again for other features that you want to incorporate into your own home inspection business website.